A very good morning to all of you. Please confirm if I'm audible. Please confirm if I'm audible. All right. Okay. So, my dear, yesterday we have just started with the ratio, and we understood few concepts like in a ratio we can multiply. Guys, just wait for a minute, okay? Yeah, discharge. I think. Just wait for a while.
वो घर में तो उसको भी चार्जर है।
Everyone, please wait for 5 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, I'm giving you questions which we have to solve. So try those questions, okay? The mic is discharged. Yesterday we were not able to charge because of rains. Okay. All right, so please try this question. Three numbers, ratio is given, sum of the squares is given. What is the middle number? Now try this question. There is a bag which contains 216 rupees in total. Now, different coins are there. 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin, 25 paise coins. The number of coin ratio is given. So how would you identify that how many 50 paise coins are there? Start please. Another check again, please. You cannot equate number of coins with rupees. Okay, so be careful. This is number of coins ratio. First convert into rupees. 50 paise coins, how many rupees? 25 paise coins, how many rupees? Because rupees are given. First, directly take the values from the ratio. Okay. We have 144 is correct. Previously 40. So directly take the values from the ratio. Think that there are three 1 rupee coins. There are four coins of 50 paise. There are four coins of 25 paise. Okay. Once you do this, how much is the rupee value? Three coins, 1 rupee. Four coins, 50 paise. Four coins, 25 paise. How much rupees? How many rupees? 6 rupees. Okay. I want 216 rupees. So what should I multiply? What should I multiply? 36. So multiply with 36, you will get the number of coins. Okay. So number of coins of 50 paise will come out to be 36 into 4. That is 144. Okay. Right. Next question. Yes, I will explain. Just my discharge is there. That's why I'm giving you time to solve it. Okay, salaries are given in the ratio 3.7. Salaries are increasing also because the salaries are increasing, so ratio will change. So what is the new ratio? 367 is wrong. How did you got 367? How? All right. So let's come back to the first question again. Okay, see, three numbers are in the ratio 3 to 5. I don't know the numbers. I know the ratio. So numbers are unknown, but their ratio is 3 to 5. All right. Normally, I would solve it this way. I will directly assume the numbers as 3 to 5. 3 to 5. I will directly take it this way. But in this question, I will, okay, in this question, just a minute, I need to change the mic, right? Yeah. So, my dear, in this question, three numbers are there. I don't know the three numbers. I don't know it. What I know is their ratio. The ratio is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Normally, what I would do is, I will take these values directly from the ratio. First number is 3, second number is 2, third number is 5. Normally, I would do it this way. Then I will multiply with something and then I will get my answer. Okay. But in this question, I will not take it this way. I will solve it using a variable only. Now, why using a variable? Please carefully understand. Wherever squares are involved or products are involved, product of numbers, squares of numbers, cubes of numbers, wherever these are involved, take a variable that is better. Now, we can do it that way also, but there is a problem in that case. Okay. So take a variable, then solve it. So 3, 2, 5. So 3x, 2x, 5x, these are your numbers. What they have given is 3x square, 2x square, and 5x square. Square, 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 and sum of squares is given as how much? 1862. Okay. Once I solve this, I will get 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 25, 38. So 38x square I will get. Okay. 25x square, 4x square, 9x square. Total I will get 38x square. 1862. Please solve this. 2 into 90, 2 into 9, 3 and 1. 19 into 4, 76, 19 into 9, 171. So x square, I'm getting as 49, x square. So x square, 49. Okay. So x equal to 7. If x equal to 7, put the values, the middle number will come out as 40. So a very simple question, you just have to take the variables with the values. 3x, 2x, 5x, create the equation, you will get it. But carefully answer. If you don't take the variable, can you think easily? Just answer that. Okay. If you directly take the values 3, 2, 5, you will get sum of squares as 38. But question has given 1862. Can you answer? What will you multiply with 38 so that you will get 1862? Can you answer? Easily. Can you answer easily? No. So first reason why I did take the variable is the value is little bit bigger. That's why I took the variable. The second reason was squares were involved. So you will have to multiply with 49. Suppose you are able to tell. Suppose you are able to tell, sir, we will multiply with 49, we will get 1862. Suppose you are able to tell. But my dear, we will not multiply 49 there. 49 multiplication is for squares. So for normal numbers, for squares, it is multiplication with 49. For normal numbers, what is the multiplication? 7. So that's why I did not take it that way. Okay. So sum of a square, you will get 38. 38 into 49, 1862. So 49 for squares. Here you will do 2 into 7, 5 into 7, 3 into 7. So do it by the variable, that is better. Okay. So carefully see, please. Very simply, we can create the equation. Okay. Now next. All right. A bag contains different kind of rupees. The ratio of the coins is given, that is 344. Okay. So 1 rupee, how many coins? I don't know. 50 paise, how many coins? I don't know. 25 paise, how many coins? I don't know. What I know is the ratio. 1 rupee. Number of coins. I don't know the number of coins. I know the ratio of number of coins. That is 344. Okay, 3, 4, and 4. All right. I'm directly taking these values from the ratio directly. So 3, 4, and 4. Now carefully answer. This number represent number of coins of these type. Please carefully answer. 3 coins. 1 rupee. How much rupee value? How much rupee value? 3 rupees. Each coin 1 rupee. So 3 coins, 3 rupees. Okay, 4 coins, 50 paise. How much rupee value? How much? Half, because 50 paise is half rupee. So 4 half will be 2 rupees. 2 rupee value. Okay. 4 coins, 25 paise. How much rupee value? 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee. All right. So total how much? Total in the bag. Total rupee value how much? 6 rupees. Okay. Now say please. How much total value do I want? How much? How much do I want? 216. How will I get 216? I am getting 6 rupees. How will I get 216? What should I multiply so that I will get 216? 36. 216 divided by 6. 36. Okay. So everywhere multiply with 36. Everywhere. You will get all the values. Although I am writing everywhere, but you need not write everywhere. Okay. So how many 50 paise coins are there? 36 into 4. 36 into 4, 144. 144 coins are there. This is how you will solve it without variable. Okay. If I take a variable, I will take x, 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 and 6x. It's very simple. It's 99% similar. Okay. If I take a variable, I will say 3x, 4x, 4x, 3x, 2x, 1x, and 6x. This is all rupees. So this is what I will get. Now 6x is the total rupee value. Total rupee value is given 216. So what is x? Carefully answer. How much? How much? 36. Again, you will get the same answer. 36. So what they are asking? Number of 50 paise coins. This is not number. This is rupees. They are asking number of coins. This is number of coins. So number of coins, how much? 4x. So 4x how much? 36 into 4. 144. So 144 coins are there of what type? 50 paise type. So 144 is your answer this way. Okay. How 4x? Directly from there, 4x, 3x, 4x, and 4x. Directly from the ratio. Why I will calculate 3x? They are asking 50 paise. So 50 paise is 4x. Okay, 50 paise is 4x. Are you asking why we are not calculating 3x value? Are you asking this, Nandini? Okay, just tell me what the question is asking. Which value is the question asking? 1 rupee, 50 paise or 25 paise? Arjun, I will share. Okay. 50 paise. Okay, for 50 paise, what values are there? One value is 4x, one value is 2x. What is 4x? 4x is number of 50 paise coins. What is 2x? 2x is the rupee value of all the 50 paise coins. Okay, so what they are asking? Number of coins. So what we will calculate? 4x. Okay. Anything else? All right, three persons are there. A, B, C. I don't know their salary. Their salary ratio, I know. Their salary ratio. Their salary ratio is given as 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, and 7. All right. So I can take these values directly. Okay. Take these values directly. 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now carefully answer, my dear. I'm taking values from the ratio. What is the question about? Are they asking any value? I'm saying, like in the previous question, number of coins. Are they asking something like that? Are they asking a value or are they asking a ratio? Ratio. Okay. So my dear, when they ask ratio,
Don't take a variable, not required. Okay, you can take any values satisfying the ratio yourself. Variable taking is not required. Now, what I'm trying to say is carefully answer one thing. I have not done this previously. I am going to do it now. Carefully answer. These three values are in the ratio this. Are they in this ratio? Yes or not? These three values. Are they having this ratio? Yes. Okay. Carefully answer now. These three values, are they in this ratio? Carefully answer. Yes. How come yes? You will say, sir, once we simplify 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel out and ratio is 3, 5, 7. So yes, sir, they are in the same ratio. Okay, but why 00? Why 100? What is the reason? I have not taken anything like this previously. So why now? What is the reason? Percentage. So percentage calculations will become easy if I take 00. So now carefully see. First answer, please. Anything wrong with these values? I will proceed. No. Okay. So I am proceeding further. Next, as per the question, the values, the salaries are increasing. Okay. Increasing. Okay. So salaries 50%, 60%, 50%. So this salary will increase by 50%. This will increase by 60%. This will increase by 50%. 50% means half. So what is half of this? Half is 150. Okay, half is 150. So 50% increase. What is the new salary? How much? 450. 300 plus 150 will be 450. Okay. For this 60%, don't tell me 60%, tell me 10%. How much? 10% of 500. How much? 50. Just remove 1 0, you will get 10%. If 10% is 50, 60% will be 6 times. How much? 6, 5, 30. 300 rupees. Okay. So how much is the increase? 300 rupees. 500 plus 300, that is 800 rupees. Okay. So 50 is 10%. 6% will be 6 times. So that is 300 rupees. Now 50% of 700. How much? Tell me in rupees. This is percentage. 50%. How many rupees? Half. So half of 700, that is 350 rupees. So what is the new salary? Answer please. How much? 1050. 1050. All right. So why did I take values by myself? Why so? For the first time? Because they are not asking any value, they are asking a ratio. So my dear, when the question does not involve anything other than ratio and percentage, you can take values by yourself. Okay, that's why we have taken. Now, I want to find the new ratio. So for that, I need to simplify this. All right, so 0, 0, 0 will cancel. 5 into 9, 5 into 16, 5 into 21, 105. Anything which can be cancelled now? Anything? No. So ratio is 9 ratio, 16 ratio, 21. So D option correct. All right. Now, I don't know, some of you are getting 3, 6, 7. So just check what you are doing, what mistake have you done. Check again, please. Now, again, one more thing I'm saying, you can take 3, 5, 7 also, not an issue. You can take some other values also which are in this ratio. You can take twice of 3, twice of 5, twice of 7. But what I'm saying is, if you take 300, 500, 700, calculation will be simple. That's why we have taken. So far, anything doubtful? Please again see that. My dear, if you take a variable, it will be just x, 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 x. Eventually, the variable will be cancelled, right? So if you take a variable, there is no point. It is just time waste. But yes, you can take. It will be cancelled. Everywhere it will be cancelled. Okay. So don't take the variable. Because eventually you have to take ratio. And in the ratio, the variable will be cancelled out. Okay. So assume the salaries as 357, but take 300, 500, 700. Calculate 50%, that is 150. Calculate 60%, that is 300. Calculate 50% again, that is 350. So the new salaries will come out as 450, 800 rupees and 1050 rupees. Okay. And this will give you the ratio 9, 16 and 21. When you want to calculate ratio, you just have to cancel common factors, nothing else. Okay, whatever is common, cancel it out. All right. Carefully answer, please. How many ratios or something related with ratio is given in this question? How many? How many ratios are given in this question? A ratio is a relation. So how many relations are given in this question? Not three. Three types of persons are there. Three ratios are given. First ratio is this. This one. Second ratio is this. Okay. So 4 men for every 3 women. What is the ratio of men to women? 4 men for every 3 women. What is the ratio? 4:3. So men and women ratio. Not directly given, indirectly given. There are 4 men for every 3 women. So ratio is this. Similarly, they have given for children and men also. So children and men. Okay, 5 children for every 3 men. 5 children for every 3 men. So children and men ratio is given. Anyone who has the doubt in this, that how we have written the ratio? Carefully see, please. Anyone who has the doubt? For 4 men, every 4 men, there are 3 women. The question is saying this is one separate ratio. Okay. Now this is one separate ratio. For 5 children, there are 3 men. So 5:3. Okay. Now carefully answer. If I directly take the values from the ratio, You will tell me if there is a problem. For the first time, we are seeing two ratios. Please remember, this line is the separation line. So that means this is from one ratio. These values are from second ratio. Okay, please remember this. So let me take different color. All right. This is one group. This is one group. Okay. Okay, carefully answer. I have directly taken the values from the ratio. Now, don't see this right now. Just look at the values. How many men? If I ask you, how many men? What will you say? 4. How come 4? Why not 3? How come 4? Why not 3? Don't say 7. Don't think, sir, 4 men plus 3 men, total 7. Don't think this way. I've taken the values from the ratio. That means I am saying number of men are 4, number of women are 3. From the first ratio, I am saying this. From the second ratio, I am saying this. Number of children are 5, number of men are 3. So what is the problem? Okay, the number of men are two different values. Is it possible that in an island, there are two values for number of men? Is it possible? Not possible, right? Okay, so there is a problem. If I directly take the values, now problem can be eliminated once I modify the ratio, the problem will be done. Okay, so I need to multiply. So what should I do so that the men value becomes same? What should I do? So carefully see, please. This is 4, this is 3. If I multiply this set by 4 and this set by 3, now check please. Sorry. By 3. Is it same? Now, there also I will multiply, no issues. Multiply by 3 in the first ratio, and multiply by 4 in the second ratio. Is it same now? Check please. How many men, if I ask you now, what will you say? How many men? 12. Whether you see there, you will say 12, or whether you see here, you will say 12. So no confusion is there. If I ask you, how many women, what will you say? 9. Okay. How many children? How many children? 20. Okay. So no confusion. Until now, anything doubtful, please confirm. Until now. Okay. So why we have done this multiplication? So that number of men value becomes same, or number of men is one single value. Okay. How many women? Again asking you, how many? How many women? How 3 and 4? If you multiply 3 there and multiply 4 in this ratio, men value will become same. So don't ask me how, ask me why. How is not a question. We can multiply values in the ratio, no issues. It is always allowed. Okay. So we have multiplied this ratio by 4, this ratio by 3. What is the reason? So that these two values become same. That's why we have done it. Okay. All right. Now, next thing. How many women are there? You are saying, sir, 9. Okay. You are saying, sir, 9. This value is 9. What value has the question given? What value is given by the question? Now, please remember this. After this, I can take a variable and solve it, or without taking a variable and solve it. Okay. Anisa, just multiply once. Multiply this with 5 and multiply this with 4. If you multiply here with 5, so 4 and 3 you are saying multiply with 5. And here you are saying multiply with 4. How will it become same? Yeah, here you are saying 4. How is it same? Don't see men, children. See men, only men. We don't have to make men, children same. We have to make men, men same. Okay. All right. So there are 9 women as per our calculation till now. I don't want 9. I want 531. What should I multiply? What should I multiply? If you are able to think, then think it that way. Actually, we have to multiply with 59. Okay, we will multiply with 59. We will get our answer 531. I mean, this value we will get. So if we multiply with 59, let me first show it this way. If we multiply with 59, we will get our answer. Women will be equal to 531. You can check. And number of children will be 5 into 4 into 59. Okay, so 1180. If you are not able to think 59, in that case, I will suggest that first write this. First write the values 12, 9, 20, and 12. Okay, and take a variable now. 12x, 9x, 20x, 12x. 9x, the number of women is given as 531. So x will be equal to 531 divided by 9. This will give you 9,545 and 9,981. So 59 you will get after solving. Okay. So with the variable you take it. If directly you cannot think 59 without a variable, I'm saying. So take a variable and solve it. So x equal to 59, put it there. You will get 20 into 59 as the number of children. 1180. Okay, so 1180 is your answer. So carefully see, please. For the first time, we have seen two ratios. Whenever two ratios are there, there is going to be a problem if you directly take the values from the ratio. In this question, the problem was number of men was having two values. Okay, but not always the problem will be same. But yes, here in this question, the problem was this. Understood or not? Please carefully see once. we have taken 531 to calculate X. Number of women already given. Okay. Our value is 9x. Question has given 531. So 9x equal to 531. Okay. Question has given. We have taken 531 to calculate X, and using X we have calculated number of children. Okay. All right. Now carefully see the next question. In the next question, we have again two ratios. One ratio is 2:3, one ratio is 3:4. Okay. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Okay. I don't know the values, I know the ratio. The ratio is 2:3, I will write. If I add 8, if I do plus 8, obviously the values will change, and obviously the ratio also will change. So if you add 8 to the first one, add 8 to the second one, the ratio will change, obviously. All right. So let me write the ratio also. All right. I'm removing this value. Okay. Whatever values are given, see it always later. Okay. All right. So 2:3. This is one ratio. Okay. Second ratio is of these two values. The second ratio is 3:4. All right. Okay. So please carefully understand one thing. Whenever we have two ratio, whenever we have two ratios, we have to be careful about one thing. We have to observe in this situation, don't think ratio. There are two numbers. In these two numbers, you are doing plus 8, plus 8. So you are getting new values. When you do plus 8, you will get new values. Okay. So old values, new values. So you have to understand first from the situation that what is constant. Okay. What is constant? You have to understand it. So carefully answer. Leave this. Take two numbers, any two numbers. Do plus 8, do plus 8. You will get new values. Okay, take any number whichever you want. Okay, take it from the option if you want. Take any number, any set of numbers there. Do plus 8, do plus 8. The old values and the new values, something will be same. Please answer what is that which will not change. Carefully see please. Take two numbers, do plus 8, plus 8. What is not changing or what will not change? See the numbers. Don't see what you are adding. Don't say, sir, 8 is constant. Don't say that. See the two numbers related with the two numbers. What is same? don't say this, sir, difference of these two, difference of these two. I'm saying, what will you calculate here? What will you calculate for these two values, which will come out same number, which will came out same value? What value is that? Carefully see, please. Suppose I'm taking 16 and 20. 16 plus 8, I will get 24. 20 plus 8, I will get 28. Now see these two values. Calculate something. If you want sum, calculate sum. If you want difference, calculate difference. Calculate here also sum and difference. What is going to be same? Sum, difference, product, what? What is going to be same? Sum is going to be 36. Here sum is 40 and 52. Okay. What is the difference? 20 and 16, 4. Difference is 4. What is the difference? 28 and 24. Difference is 4. So difference will not change. First number will change. Second number will change. Now don't say, sir, difference of these two is same. My dear, this obviously will be same. You are doing plus 8, so difference will be 8. You are doing plus 8, so difference will be 8. So don't take old value, new value and calculate something, okay? So what I'm saying is, in this set of old values, these are old values, difference is 4. These are new values, difference is 4. Difference will not change. Whatever these numbers are, difference will not change. I don't know the numbers right now, but difference will not change. Okay. So now, let me write this first. Difference of old and new values will be same. Is this point clear? Please answer that. Whatever situation is this, if they add 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12, it doesn't matter. Difference will be same. This is what we know. Okay. All right. You can think easily this way also. For example, there are two person. Their salaries are 16 lakh, 20 lakhs. Both of their salary is increasing by 8 lakhs. So will the difference of salary change? Both of their salary increasing by 8 lakhs. Will the salary change? No. So this way it will be easy. So whenever two numbers increase by the same amount, difference never changes. Whenever two numbers decrease also by the same amount, difference never change. Numbers will change, but their difference will not change. Okay. So two numbers are increasing. The new values are this, but difference will remain same, just like the previous difference. This will always happen. Okay, so this is what we have learned. The ratio right now is, we are not discussing the ratio. I'm discussing the situation. In situation, if we add something which is same number, then this is what we have observed. The difference is 4, difference is 4. All right, now see carefully one thing. I'm copying this page now. I will discuss the ratio. All right. I'm directly taking the values from the ratio. You will have to answer if there is a problem. 2, 3. And from the second ratio, I'm taking the values 3 and 4. Okay. All right. Please check the difference. Check the difference. Is it same? Is the difference same? Yes. It must be same. Is it same? Yes. If it is not same, I will make it same. Please remember that. Right now it is same, but if it is not, I will make it same, guaranteed. For that, I will modify the ratio. But right now, any modification required? Carefully answer. Any modification required to make the difference same? No. Okay. So difference is same. Difference is 1. Difference is 1. Okay. So condition is satisfied. All right. Now answer, please. What you are adding in the first number? What you are adding in the second number? What you are adding? Don't see the question. See the values you have written. Don't see the question. We'll see question later. +1. Okay, you are doing +1. All right. So we are doing +1, +1. What we have to do? Do we have to do +1? Or let me start this way. My dear, right now, I have just taken the values from the ratio. These values satisfy the condition also. So now I'm taking, okay, there is no problem with the values. Now I'm saying, okay, what we are doing? +1. What we are doing? +1. Now I will see the question. What we are doing? Are we doing +1 as per the question? Are we doing +1? No. We are doing +8. I don't want +1. I want +8. My dear, just one multiplication will give you the right values. Just one. So please carefully answer. I want 8. What should I multiply? What should I multiply? Okay, so multiply with 8. So multiply with 8 everywhere, you will get your values. All right, if you want, check the difference again. What is the difference? Is it same or not? Check the difference again, please. Is it same? 16, 24. Difference is 8. This is 24, 32. Difference is 8. So it will be same. It will not change. Multiplication will not change anything. Multiplication will not disturb the ratio. Multiplication will not disturb the ratio. Multiplication will not disturb the difference. Understood or not? Carefully answer, please. Manikanta, you can solve this question with options. Okay, but not every question. Okay, so you should know this approach. If by chance they are not asking, suppose the numbers are okay, we can solve. If suppose they are asking the sum of numbers are, sum of numbers is, in that case we cannot solve. Okay. All right. Now, my dear, even if we want to do it by variable, then also 99% similar. Okay, again asking you, once I directly take the values from the ratio, is this condition satisfied? Is it satisfied? Again asking you. Yes, okay. So now I'm taking a variable x. All right. I have taken a variable x, and if I have taken a variable, I will have to find it. So carefully answer, please. What value is given? Something has to be given. Okay, this is ratio, leave it. This is ratio, leave it. What is given? 8. What is 8? 8 is the number which we have added. So can I say this value is 8? Can I say this value is 8? Yes or not? Carefully answer. Whatever value is given, equate it with 8. Okay. Now from this, what we have got is x equal to 8. Okay, x equal to 8. And this gives you the numbers as 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. 8 to 16 and 8 3 24. All right, just carefully answer. Why the answer is 16 and 24? Why not 24 and 32? Why not this? Carefully answer. Why not this? Why 16 and 24? I'm seeing 24 and 32 also. Now 24, 32 is not present. Even if it is present, will you say 24, 32 is answer? Will you say if there is one option, 24, 32? So why not? Please understand. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. After that, they are saying if. What is the meaning of if? What is the meaning? If means reality or imagination? Carefully answer. What is the meaning of if? If this happens, if this happens. Imagination, assumption. So my dear, this is reality. If 8 is added, if 8 is added, this is all assumption. We are just imagining. This is not reality. So this is reality. Reality is your answer, 1624. So always please remember this. If means not the answer. Whatever statement is given without if, that is going to give you the answer. Understood this? If means imagination, not reality. So that is not going to give you the answer. Okay. Now, let's see one more question. All right. Please start with the question. Two ratios, a little bit careful you have to be. Once you take the values from the ratio, you have to be careful. All right. As per the question, you have to change the ratio. If you want to change the ratio in a mixture, this is a mixture question, I can say milk and water is present. If you want to change the ratio, you have to add something. Either you will add water or you will add milk. Just like your milkman does, he dilutes the milk and he adds the water for that. Okay, adulteration. So what I'm saying is something based on that they have given the question that we have to add water so that the ratio changes. Okay, so remember this, whenever you have to change the ratio in a mixture, something should be added or something must be removed. That is for sure. Okay, so what we are adding, please answer. And please remember this. Here milk means milk, not water, pure milk. Okay, pure milk. Our normal assumption is anything we see as liquid, we think it is water also. It contains water also. It is not like that. Okay, not every liquid contains water, and particularly with milk, there is something which is pure milk, which does not have water. Think it this way. Okay, so milk is something different, water is something different. Milk is pure milk, water is pure water. Okay. Okay, so I was asking what we are adding. What are we adding? Water. Okay, if we are adding water, what will change? Amount of water or amount of milk? What will change? What will change? Amount of water, amount of milk. How milk will change? We are adding water. We are adding water. So what will change? Water will change. Water will increase. Will the amount of milk change? Or let me ask you this. What will not change? What will not change? Amount of milk or amount of water? Amount of milk. So what will not change? Amount of milk. Okay, so I have given you one hint. So now try the question. Amount of milk will not change. One condition we have got. Okay, so take the values from the ratio, but please remember, amount of milk should be same. If you want to take variable, you can take variable also. But condition must be satisfied. Before you take a variable, condition must be satisfied. Amount of milk must be same. All right. So there is a 50 liters can. Okay, milk and water. I don't know how much milk, how much water. I don't know. What I know is the ratio. So the ratio is 3:1 right now. Okay, milk and water. The ratio is 3:1. Okay. Now I want to change the ratio. The new ratio has to be 1:3. Okay. Now new values of milk or water, I don't know. I know the ratio. All right. As per the discussion we have had, you said, sir, milk, amount of milk will not change. Yes or not? Carefully answer. And please be careful. Don't say, sir, water we are adding, so milk amount will change. My dear, milk means pure milk, not water. Water is separate. Milk is separate. Okay, so amount of milk will not change. Are you agreeing with me? Yes. Okay, so amount of milk should not change. Now, my dear, just like all the question, I'm taking the values from the ratio 3 and 1. Okay, 1 from the second ratio 1 and 3. Okay, before I see the question what is given, I will see if this condition is followed. Is the amount of milk changing or same with the values I have taken? Carefully answer. Is the amount of milk same? No. Okay, but it should be same. In the situation, amount of milk will not change. So if I have taken the values from the ratio, amount of milk is not same. Okay, so what I need to do to make it same? What should I do? Modify the ratio. Okay. So my dear, this is one ratio. This is one ratios. Two ratios are there. Multiply something here, multiply something here. Do whatever you want. Okay. Any multiplication there, any multiplication here, but I want this and this number to become same. What will you do? Addition not allowed. What will you do? In what ratio? Multiply by 3. Okay, multiply by 3 in the second ratio. Any change required here? Do I need to multiply in the first one also? Never say multiply by 1. Okay, so no change required here. Okay, multiply by 3. Okay, multiply by 3. Is it same now? Please answer. Is the milk amount same now? Yes? Okay. So now condition is satisfied. Okay, now I will see the question what is given. Okay, in a 50 liters can, milk and water are in the ratio 3:1. If the ratio has to be made 1:3, quantity of water that has to be added further is, okay, 50 liters can. My dear, this should be 50 liters. What is the total of this? Is it 50 liters? Total is 4 liters. Okay, 4 liters total. What do I want? How much do I want? I want 50. As per the question, milk and water are in the ratio 3:1, but total is 50 liters. I am getting 4 liters. So what should I multiply? What should I do? Again, if you are able to think, then think. If you are not able to think, take a variable 3x, 1x, 3x, 9x. Take a variable. Okay. So if you are able to think, it is 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. All right. Before I do the multiplication, just answer one more thing. Three and 9. All right, milk is same. How much water are we adding? How much of water we are adding? If you answer 8. This is 1, this is 9. So we are adding plus 8. Okay, so 8 liters of water we are adding. So my dear, now I will see. I want 50 liters there, not 4. So for that, I need to multiply everything with 12.5. 12.5 will give you 50 liters. So everywhere 12.5, everywhere. 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, everywhere. All right. So how much water we are adding? This much. How much is this value? 12.5 into 8. How much? 100 liters. Okay. So 100 we are adding. 100 liters water added. All right. So this is directly if you are able to think. Otherwise, if you want to take a variable, then take the variable this way. Leave this. All right. Take a variable. Take a variable. Take a variable. Take a variable. And now see what is given. So they have given 50 liters can. Okay, 50 liters. That means total value is 50 liters. So this will give you x equal to 50 by 4, 25 by 2. Okay. So x equal to 25 by 2 or 12.5. Okay. Now answer. Which value do I want? Do I want 3x, 1x, 8x, 9x, 3x? What is the question asking? Which value is the question asking? 8x. Water added. So water added is 8x. And 8x value is 25 by 2. This will give you 100. So 100 is your answer. A option correct. Okay. So this way we have to, my dear, solve these questions. We have to carefully take the values from the ratios. If modifications are required, we will do the modification. After that, either we will multiply or take a variable to solve it. Okay. See again, please, anything which is doubtful so far. How to calculate 4? 3 plus 1, 4. Total. Milk is 3x, water is 1x. So total is 3x plus 1x, 4x. Okay. Now try one more question. All right. Start, please. Nine minus 1 will give you 8. Once we multiply 3 in the ratio, second ratio, you will get water as 9x. Don't start with the variable. Variable we take later. Okay. 750 is correct. All right. Please carefully answer. In this question also we are adding something. So what we are adding and what will change, what will not change? Carefully answer. What will change? First answer that. Amount of sand or amount of cement? What will change? Sand will change. Okay. What will not change? Cement. Cement will be same. All of you agree with me? Cement will not change. All of you agree with me? Cement will not change. Because we are not adding cement, we are adding sand. So sand value will change, it will increase, but cement will not change. Now, I don't know sand cement value, but whatever cement value is, it will remain same. Okay. Now, let me write first sand and cement. Okay, 3 and 1. All right. So my dear, ratio is given 3:1. I have directly taken the values from the ratio. Okay. It is 1 ton. So this 1 ton we'll see later. How much sand must be added to make the ratio 6:1? Okay. I want to change the ratio. I want the ratio to be 6:1. I want 6:1. All right. So I have directly taken the values from the ratio. Now carefully answer. The values right now, are they satisfying this condition? First, always check the condition. Are they satisfying the condition? Check please. Is a cement value same? Yes, no. Don't see sand value. Sand value will change. Is cement value same? Yes. Okay. So there is no problem with the values based on the condition. Condition is followed. Okay. Cement is same. Cement is same. Okay. Sand value will be different. Cement should be same. So cement is same. If it is not same, I will do it. I will modify the ratios. But yes, I want cement value to be same. So I want it means I want it. If it is not same, I will do it. All right. So now, is any modification required in the ratio? Please answer first. No. Okay. No modification required. Okay. So now, after this, there are two approaches. In every value, either you will multiply something, or with every value, you will take a variable 3x, 1x, 6x, 1x. So do whatever you want, but approach is nearly 99% same. Okay. Okay. Answer one more thing. How much sand we are adding with these values? What will you say? How much sand? Tell me in kg. 3 kg. Okay. Don't say 3 liters. 3 kg we are adding. Because 3 plus 3 will be 6. So we are adding 3 kg of sand. Okay. Now see what is given. Carefully answer. What is given? When I say what is given, now ratio is done. Tell me the values. Which value is given? 1 ton. How much is 1 ton? How many kgs? 1000 kg. Okay, 1000 kg. What is 1000 kg? This value is 1000, or this value, or this value, or this value, or something else. What is 1000? Total. Okay, total value. Sand and cement make up 1 ton. Okay, this total value should be 1 ton. Okay, total. Please answer. What is the total of this? What is the total right now? How much? 4 kg. Okay, 4 kg. Total is 4. How much do I want? I want 1000. So what should I multiply so that I get 1000 there? What should I multiply? 250. All of you agree with me? 250 will give you the right values everywhere, all the places. Yes, all the places, not just this place. Every place you will get the right values. Okay, 250. So 250. Okay, 250 into 4, 1000. Okay, matching. So 250 into 1, 250 into 3, 250 into 6, sorry, 3, 250 into 6, 250 into 1. All right. Now answer, please. I have to read the question and see which value they are asking. So many values are there. So which value they are asking? How much sand is added? How much? Will you say this is the sand added? Or will you say this? Or will you say this? What is the sand added? How much you are adding is this. So this is the sand added. Okay, this is amount of sand, old value. This is amount of sand, new value. How much you have added? This is this. So sand added is 3 into 250, that is 750. kg. All right. So nearly same question, just one change was there, that we didn't have to modify the ratio like we have modified the ratio in the previous question. Previously, modification was required. Otherwise, question is same, just like the previous one. Anything so far doubtful? Because I want 1000, that's why. Okay, 1 ton is 1000 kg. So I will get 1000 if I multiply with 250. Okay. Nandini, you are telling me the second approach. We can do it. 3 and 4, 1000 kg. So multiply by 250, multiply by 250. Okay. What you are saying is this. All right. So you are taking the first ratio, 3:1. Okay. Total is 4. I want 1000. So to make 1000, I will multiply with 250. So 250, 250. First ratio we have solved separately. Okay, separately. Until now, anything doubtful? This is what you are saying. First ratio separately, right? Okay, then what else? From this also you will get sand and cement. Sand and cement you will get 750 and 250. This is correct. If you do just this. Now answer. This is right now values from the ratio. Sand value should be same. Sorry, cement value should be same. So cement value should be same. So what should I multiply in this ratio? What should I multiply? Same. I want 250 here also. So multiply by 250 here also. Multiply by 250 here also. So new value is 1500. So new value 1500, old value 750. How much you are adding? The difference you are adding. Okay. Multiply opposite. If it is 1, it is 2. So multiply 2 there, multiply 1 here. Multiply just opposite. If it is 2, 3, multiply 2 there, 3 there. Just multiply opposite. It will become same. Okay, but multiplication should be in the ratio, not just one value in the ratio. Why you will make sand same, Mrityunjay? All right. All of you joined with some registration. After registering, have you joined the meeting? All right. So today there is no attendance. Okay. All right. So carefully see, please. In the questions, when we have savings, same savings, I'm saying. In that case, I'm saying, for example, let's take 2%, 10,000 salary, 20,000 salary. Okay. I'm taking the savings of A as 1,000. Taking the savings of B also 1,000. Okay. So this is salary, income. Now tell me, if savings is 1,000, how much is expenditure of A? How much? How much is expenditure of A? 9,000. Okay. Salary is this, 1,000 savings, so remaining 9,000 you are spending, right? In this case, 20,000 minus 1,000, 19,000 you are spending. All right. Here in this case, the income ratio is given and expenditure ratio is given. Income ratio, expenditure ratio. So check income once and check expenditure once. Please remember, I have taken the case in which savings are equal. Please tell me, there is something there and something there which is same. What is that? What is that? Something is same. Difference. Difference will be same. It will be because the savings are equal. That's why you are not able to think directly. But yes, difference of income, difference of expenditure also will be same. Okay, so difference remains same in such situations. Okay, so let me write this. When savings are equal, then difference of income will be equal to difference of expenditure. All right, so difference of income should be equal to difference of expenditure whenever savings are equal. Okay, so now let me copy this page once. All right, what will you say? There is something in this situation which is same. What is that? What will you say? What will you say? Difference. Difference of income, difference of expenditure. Okay. So now carefully see, please. I'm writing income. Income of Ankit, income of Bhavya. How much? I don't know. What I know is the ratio. The ratio is given as 5:4. Okay, ratio is given. So I have directly taken the values from the ratio. I will check it later. Now, expenditure also is given. Expenditure ratio is given. Expenditure ratio is 14:11. So 14 and 11. All right, I don't know the values. I know the ratio. Okay, I've taken the values. I've taken the values from the ratio. All right, so now I will check one thing. Please don't see any value which is given. Okay, don't see the values. Values we'll see later. First, we need to check the conditions. There is one condition in this situation. What is that condition? We have just discussed about it. Difference of income should be equal to difference of expenditure. Yes or not? Difference of income should be equal to difference of expenditure. Yes or not? Yes. Okay, so difference must be same. Is it same? Please check. Check. These are temporary values. I know these are wrong. So is the difference same? Difference of income. How much? Okay, difference is 1. Okay. And here, difference is 3. Is it same? No. All right, not same. All right, full liberty I'm giving you. Multiply anything in this ratio, anything in this ratio, anything, but make it same. I want these two values same. So what will you do? First ratio multiply by 3. Okay. Let's see. If I multiply this ratio by 3, So here also, I will multiply by 3. So here also, difference will become 3. Is it same now? Check please. Check. Is it same? Carefully check. Is it same? Yes. Sir, 5 into 3, 15. 4 into 3, 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. Sir, yes. Condition is satisfied. Okay, so condition is satisfied. So first thing we have to always do is check the condition. So now a little bit modification was required, but yes, condition is now satisfied. Now second thing. How much they are saving? How much is the saving of Ankit? How much? Don't see the question. Tell me from these values. How much is the saving? Don't tell me from the question. Tell me with these values. How much will you say is the saving of Ankit? Income is 15. 14 rupees spent on something. So saving is 1 rupee. For Bhavya also saving is 1 rupee. Okay, so please carefully answer. Either you will take a variable now. That means take a variable x, 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 and savings are given. So x equal to 1000. Or you will directly multiply. So please answer, what should I multiply? I want savings to be 1000. What should I do? Multiply with 1000 everywhere. Okay, so multiply with, let me show with other color. So multiply with 1000, savings will be 1000, but everywhere. All right. So now check please. Now you can answer anything, whatever the question is asking. So what is the income of Ankit? Income of Ankit is this. What is this? 15,000. So 15,000 is the income. So carefully see please what we have to check. What is the condition you have to memorize in this situation? Okay. You will have to memorize. So difference of income, difference of expenditure will be same. Okay. Even if you take a variable, then also same thing. Okay. Even if you take a variable, five, 3, 15, 4, 3, 12. All right. Once the condition is satisfied, you can take a variable. Okay. So take a variable x, 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 x. Savings are given 1000. So what is x? X equal to 1000. If x equal to 1000, what is the income of Ankit? How much? 15,000. So 15,000. All right. Okay. So there are two questions which are remaining. This one question is exactly same like the first one. Okay. So you can try it just right now. There is one more question in which there is no condition. When I say condition, that means a value which never changes. So two things we have seen. A question in which the milk value was constant. That was the first question. A question in which cement value was constant. That was the second question. Third question was just this income and expenditure. Savings were equal. When savings are equal, what is constant? The difference of income and difference of expenditure will be constant. The fourth question we have seen was in which number of men were coming out to be different. So number of men cannot have two different values. So we modified the ratio. And one question was in which we were adding 8 to the two numbers. When we increase two numbers by the same value or decrease two numbers by the same value.
So my dear, these are certain situations in which you should know that what is same, what is not going to change. Okay, you should know that. But there will be situation in which everything will change, whether it is sum, whether it is difference, whether it is values. Okay, everything will change. In those questions, how we have to do this last question, we'll see tomorrow, and we'll start with the problems on ages. Okay. All right. So thank you. The class is done. The mic is again discharged. Okay. All right. So we'll meet tomorrow, same timings. Okay. Attendance not required today. I don't have the link actually, but as I've discussed, it is not required because you have registered also. So we'll take the attendance from the meeting day. Okay. All right. I will share it. Yeah, yesterday is pending. 26 July recording is sent, right? I've sent it yesterday. Okay. All right. Thank you. Yes, no attendance. You can leave the session. Okay. No attendance. I will take it from the registration you have done. Okay. Meeting registration.